Most Power BI reports stop at the summary, but the real insights are hiding one right click away. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a D2 page that lets your user dig into your details without cluttering your dashboard. So for this video, we're all about user experience, user clarity, and building a professional dashboard. And at the end of this video, you're going to have a clean professional setups that make your reports feel 10 times more professional and user friendly. So let's dive in. So for this data set, I have an hospital data set, obviously, that has a demographic analysis of my patients and admission and treatment, the billings, and the patient details. So for the first 3 pages, I have visuals. So for the last page, I do not have a visual, and this is where the real work starts. So here, I'm going to add this is what I'm going to add as a D2 page for a particular visual on another page. So here, the first thing I want to do is to go to my measures, select the patient, total number of patients. I want to select the average billing previous here. I want to have the total number of diabetic patients, total number of doctors, and I can just add the total billing as well. And the next thing I just want to do is to change this to a matrix visual. So instead of having a pie chart, I want to see it clearly, and I'm going to add a measure. And the measure I'm going to add is I'm going to add a detail. I'm going to add a dimension. So the dimension I'm going to add is the gender. So I want to see all of these details by gender. So I want to see the total females, the average billing for total females, average billing for total males, and all of that. These are the details of my patient. Yes. So the next thing I'm going to do is, for my demographic analysis, I have patient by gender, but this is just showing the total number of female and the female patients I have, and the male patients I have, and the non-binary patients that I have. But I want to see the details, which is on my patient details page. So what is next? The next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my patient details page, and I'm just going to, I'll scroll down to my visualization pane. I'm going to scroll down, and on this D2, I'm going to add gender to my D2. So I'm just going to place it there like that. So automatically, when you place that, you have a back button. So what is the next thing you want to do? The next thing I'm going to do is to go to my demographic analysis page, then go to the visual where I have patient by gender. Remember, the criteria is that the dimension you are using on your visual must also be on your D2 visual or your D2 page. So here I'm going to click on one of the data points, which is the female. I'm going to right click on it, and I have D2. So I'm going to D2 to my patient details. Of course, you can have plenty or a lot of D2 pages. So for this video, I have just one D2 page. So automatically it gives me just one D2 page. So I'm going to click on the patient details D2 page. So what do I see? I only see the details of females. I can only see the details of females. I do not see the male. I do not see the non-binary. So this is what a D2 page shows you. It shows you the granularity of some details of some of your analysis without cluttering your pages. So you don't have to have the breakdown on your main page. Just have a summary page, and after that, have a details page when you see the breakdown of your analysis. I hope this helps. So for example, let's say you want to clear your visual, or you want to go back to the main page. For Power BI desktop, just have to click on your control on your keypad, then click on the arrow button, then you go back to the main page. Also, if you're on the D2 page and you want your matrix or your visual, whatever visual you are using, you want it back to all of the details. You want to see the female, the male, and the non-binary again. The next thing you can do is just to scroll down and make sure that you clear for female. So when you clear for female, just this eraser icon, you clear for it, automatically it brings out all your information back to normal. It brings out all the initial information you have on your details page. So I hope this video helps. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe. See you in another one. Thank you.